Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, today we're going to talk about our star player, Asante Oppong. I know I shouldn't be making these videos, but I want to set something straight. Now, Asante Oppong is very good. He is very good, talented player. I don't think the Ghana Premier League has experienced a player like him in the last few 2-3 years. I think he's very good for his age. He is very confident, he's brilliant, and he's extremely skillful. Now, while giving him his accolades, I think we should not put pressure on him, because I've heard people talking about him getting the Black Stars call up. Now, if the Black Stars call him up, fans will be telling him to go, obviously, since we are all in Ghana. He's not in Europe, he'll be distracted. But I think we should, try not to pressure Asante Oppong. Praise him for his performance. Let it stop there. Predict good things for him. Let it stop there. Now, putting pressure on him, making him perform every match, to score every match, that won't happen. There's no way Asante Oppong will continue scoring in all games. Messi, Ronaldo, they have bad spells. They can't score in all games. Asante Oppong is very young. He's 18 years old, and what he's doing right now should be like a huge surprise to us. Should be like a miracle to us. So we shouldn't expect excess of that, because if we do that, we are going to overwork the player, and it will eventually affect his form and his mentality. And I think I know he needs to work hard on his own part. Now we just have to be patient with him. Anything, if he scores, we should be surprised. We shouldn't be expecting him to score. We should just say he's good, he should be there, contribute to the team. We should be surprised whenever he scores. He scores today, yes, he's good. Next game, don't say he will score. I know you have confidence. You are heaping pressure on him. And this affects a player that young, and his mentality is that I'm going out to put good performance for the team. Now, if you are pressuring him to score in every game, it puts a huge pressure on him, and it will eventually affect his form. The Black Stars call that I'm hearing right now is actually ridiculous, because I think he hasn't even played up to 10 games for Kotoko, and you want him to play for the Ghana Black Stars. It's too early. Even if Black Stars call him right now, Kotoko will reason it and say, are you sure you're going to play him? If you're going to play him, try to integrate him into the Ghana Black Stars team. Tell us you have a plan for him. Tell us that it's going to be a long-term project. Tell us that you have a plan in place to protect him and all that, to help him develop whenever he's with the Black Stars and all that. Because right now you can just send players to the Black Stars and say go. Because when you send players with Black Stars with plan, some results in the Black Stars, the campaign in the Black Stars might affect his mentality, and when he comes back to Kotoko, it will also affect him. If plans is not put in place for young players in the Black Stars team, I don't think players like Asante Oppong and other young players, talented players in Ghana and outside Ghana, will be looking to join the Ghana Black Stars at a very young age. So I think if we feel that he's good enough to play for the Black Stars, yes, no problem. I agree he's good enough. The thing is that, is the environment safe for him? The Black Stars campaign and the environment and the GFA as a whole, is it safe for him to involve himself in that particular area? Is it safe? That is what we should ask ourselves. Is it safe that we should send this guy to the Black Stars camp and the association and everything, all the politics and all the drama? Is it safe for him? When you answer that question, then you know if it's good or not good for him to play for the Ghana Black Stars. See what they did to Asante Kotoko. Goalkeepers make mistake. All goalkeepers in the whole world make mistake. Manenua, I'm a Bayern fan. If you watch Manenua, he makes mistake. Thibaut Courtois, he makes mistake. Even Chelsea's Benjamin Mendy, when he came to Chelsea first, he was making mistake. Asante Kotoko made only one mistake in the Ghana Ghana Black Stars squad, and the whole country were bashing him that he was too confident. Is there anything like too confident? There's nothing like too confident. It's either you are confident or you're not. There's nothing like too confident. There's complacent, there is mistakes. There's nothing like overconfident. And that is what they accused Asante Kotoko of, and it affected him mentally. It drained him mentally, and he had to work on himself to bounce back, and now he's performing very well. I don't want the same thing to happen to Asante Oppong. I want us to protect Asante Oppong. We are praising him. Yes, we should praise him. He's one of our own, but we should try and protect him from politics, any bad environment that will affect him and eventually affects Kotoko. Because if he goes out to play and maybe something happened, he misses a chance and they insult him and all that, he comes back to Kotoko, it might affect his mentality and he won't be able to perform. That is the kind of things I'm talking about, and I would want the fans to be careful whenever they are, praising him, because accolades motivate him. If it's too much, it becomes a pressure and it becomes a burden on him. He will be like, I have to score this goal, if not Kotoko won't win. Everybody's depending on me to score this goal. It's pressure. It's just 18 years old, right? 18 years old. So I think we just have to keep it down. Asante Oppong will perform very well in the Ghana Premier League obviously this season. I'm expecting and predicting great things for him. I just hope that he maintains focus, work hard and perform. His reward will be very, very huge. I'm very, very sure of that. If he continues performing hard, performing well and working hard, his rewards will be very, very huge. I'm telling you that. So I am actually sorry that I have to make this video, because I know it's just 4 games into the season, but it really has to be said that we should not put pressure on Asante Oppong. So I think that's all for today. I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about him? What do you think about the entire situation? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. Subscribe if you haven't. My name is Clinton Little. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.
Here is Asante Oppong, very skillful. He sets Mudasiru up. Mudasiru! Now here is Dixon of Fuakwa. Now it is Oppong, goes back to Lamptey with a drive, and it's a 10 goal. Asante Kotoko up by 3 goals to 1. Debut goal for Richmond Lamptey. Asma's delivery. Here is Oppong! And what a dream debut for Asante Oppong. He has handed Kotoko the lead, and Prosper Nete joins in the celebration.
Headwind back. It's far back lying down. The ball comes in. It is good. Into the far post. They can't deal with it. That's what with it.
It's Christopher Nete. That's what to find Asante Oppong. Oppong goal.
You can see that incident again. I mean,
there was contact.
Not too sure whether they've seen through Prof. Judah Champong's crystal eye ball. But here comes Kotoko. Player goes down in the process, but in front of goalkeeper, and super very young chap, Asante Oppong.
Well, against the run of play, and surprisingly, the BNE goals that are stand here. Super strike from the young chap Asante Oppong. Again, he is trying to be the game changer for Kotoko. Why up? Yeah, well, look, let's watch him here. Kotoko were probing, and here the ball was not well defended. It fell to him, and look, that one.
Fabio Gama onto the path of Asante Oppong, and he goes past Yahweh Champon. It's Asante Oppong. Asante Oppong, brilliant goal. This is something else.
Video brilliance of Asante Oppong. That touch is brilliant. The body balance is superb, and the confidence to strike the ball into the near post as well is wonderful to see. And this boy at the moment can do nothing wrong.